down here. But right now we're up to the challenge. We need to find some eggs. Oh, and I think I see one. Don't you guys think? Yeah, but that's only one. We need a bunch more if we're gonna be hunting out some eggs. There must be some, right? I'm usually really good at this challenge. And it goes on for a while because, yeah. Oh, yes. No. No! You got that egg. Guys, if you spawn an egg, you chat in the comments. Oh, fun. No! Banana took it! Oh, I want this egg, it's mine. 2. Okay. Not bad. So, okay. That coin is mine. Ouch. Where? Oh, no. What happened? Uh-oh, I'm tiny and slippery. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, here's Banana. Hey, Banana. Aliens! What do you mean, aliens? Can I get sucked up? Yeah. Wait, what? You die if you touch it? No. Oh man, I didn't die. I want to die. Get ready for what? Fight? Obliterated. Obliterated. No, I'm getting spurs, guys. Okay, guys, we're doing good. We're just gonna get Timmy. Yeah. Yay, I survived. Get to the water. Oh, no. I ain't dying, alright. Oh, phew. Oh, jeez. Grab the most rings. Okay. Okay, that's only one though. Guys, we're doing good. We're doing really good. Wait, guys. Yeah, we're still recording. Okay, still recording, and we are. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh no, what's happening? Banana? Okay, banana soup. Thunder. Banana, what are we gonna do? Banana, you stuck there, buddy. Guys, Banana's stuck. Banana, you're stuck. How we don't know. Click the door.
Who's that? That door.
What?
Who's that? That door. Who's that? That door.
Haha. That's funny. Okay. I know this. Guys, this reminds me of what Mr. Rich is, right? Like Mr. Rich, doesn't it? Guys, well, no. Made it, but lost one. Who's making that noise? I heard it. Vacation. I'm working up my way to get some coins. Ah, guys, nothing better than a vacation. Am I missing a leg? I'm missing a leg. I'm missing a leg. What happened? What happened to my leg? Press the button, press the button, press the button. Press the button. Oh my god. Get to the end. Oh no, this one's bad. And good also. Dude, everyone wants that coin. No! Guys, this is getting really hard. Wait, is that the end? It is! Wait, banana! Banana's gonna pay for that. Oh my god! Reach the end. Oh yeah, I love this. No! Oh my god. Run! All on me, folks. All on me. Oh, that was so close. Okay, guys. Ah! Sweet musics. Quickly get to the top. Yeah, we need to get to the top. Banana, did you die? Banana died. Stop banging, or I'll push you in. No. Ew, ew, that's so stinky. Ew. Watch out. Wait, where's it going from? Where are they coming from? Trust me, guys. This is a perfect place to be. Oh no, I hate this one. Although, be good. Be good. Oh, if I get good, the thing won't be so stinky. Hey, Mum. And, guys, I was just saying hi to my mum on the phone. Anyways. No way. Wee. Yeah, we made it, guys. But this isn't the end of the video. Watch out. Ugh. Oh, come on. A storm. Oh, no. Also, there isn't a storm. Nothing happened. It exploded. Get ready. Get on the blue pad. Hey, he's using cheats. Get on the yellow pad. Red. Green. I'm good at this. Yeah. Red. Oh no. No! Hey guys, thank you for watching. Wait, no. I want you guys to see this. And I'm really terrible at it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. And I hope you wait, oh guys, it's not over yet. Actually, wind it up there. Okay guys, hope you liked the video and I'll see you again soon. Bye.